At the top right corner of each page, there is a trash can bin where you can delete a page. If you accidentally deleted something, you can go to the top and click undo or hit Ctrl Z. If you have multiple pages, for example, 50 or 100 pages, and if you do not want to delete each page one by one, you can custom select which page you want to delete. Let's say for this example, I want to delete pages 4, 5, and 7. If I want to do that, I simply click on 4 and then hit Control if you're using a PC, which I am using right now, and 7. And then I just simply hit delete on my keyboard, or I can just go over here and hit this button. And now those pages are deleted. You can also highlight pages that you want to delete here by clicking down on your mouse and highlighting the pages that you want to delete. So this option is better if you have consecutive pages that you want to delete automatically. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.